Example 3 is a bit of a challenge at this point for us all, most likely. First thing you're going to want to do here, I would say, is before even attempting to differentiate, just go ahead and rewrite this in terms of fractional exponents to set yourself up for ease when differentiating, so we can use the power rule more readily. And then we just want to go ahead and go through this whole thing. So again, there are two steps, there are two possible methods to this, and I do see people using both methods like I've been showing you. Maybe we'll start with the more sort of formal method here, in which case we're going to just take this inside part here. We're going to take this inside part and just say that's equal to u. So let's start by saying let u equal 1 plus x squared plus 1 to the 1/2. Then this derivative above is equal to the derivative d dx of really just u to the 1/2. That's it. And we know that this right here, this expression should be I guess we can give this expression a name. Let's go ahead and we can say that this is the whole thing is y. So then if we do that, this would be dy dx. And then dy dx would be dy du dx. So what's du dx? Or excuse me, what's y? Y is just u to the 1/2. So dy du is 1/2 u to the negative 1/2. And if we put back u, what's u? U is 1 plus x squared plus 1 to the 1/2 to the negative 1/2. So I just replaced u with what u is up here. So that just got replaced in. And then du dx, what's that? Du dx is 0 plus 1/2 x squared plus 1 to the 1/2. Excuse me, to the negative 1/2 times 2x. So then, if we put it all together by taking the fact that dy dx is dy du is 1/2 1 plus x squared plus 1 to the 1/2, all of that to the negative 1/2, and then we'll multiply it by du dx, which is this bit here. So this would be 1/2 times 1/2 x squared plus 1 to the negative 1/2 times 2x. That is a lot. That is definitely a lot. Oftentimes I do find that while that can be useful doing the substitutions, I do I do personally find it easier to differentiate just without doing all those substitutions. So I would start by saying derivative of the outside, leave the inside alone, times the derivative of the inside. So the derivative of the inside so we're going to differentiate this whole thing. So the derivative of that is 0 plus we have this derivative, which is the chain rule. So 1/2 comes down to the negative 1/2. Leave the inside alone. Multiply by the derivative of the inside. And if you compare and contrast them, they are exactly the same. So no matter how you do it, that would be option 2. Option 2 I usually feel is cleaner.